Sometimes we need to finish an assignment or a freelancing project, but we don't want it to seem like it was written by AI. Or maybe we're delivering work to clients and want it to sound natural and human. Or sometimes we want to detect if the written content is by an AI or a human. So, how do we detect and humanize AI written content? If that's your concern, this video is just for you. Hey my beautiful people, welcome to the future of AI. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool called AI Detector Pro. It not only spots AI written content, but can also transform it into authentic, human-like writing. Let's jump in and see how it works.
So first of all, go to this website called AI Detector Pro and click on Get Started for free. Now simply sign up or log into this website. Once signed up, you will see this interface. Now let me tell you how this works. So here, as you can see, I have opened an article that claims to be written by a human. Now I really want to know if this article is actually written by a human or an AI. So to find out, I'll simply copy this article from here. Next, I'll go back to AI Detector Pro, go to the report section and select your text language. This tool supports English, German and Spanish. I'll select English from here. Now I'll simply paste my copied article and click on Analyze. Now it will analyze my article and create a report. Click on View to check it out. Now you can see the score of 2 out of 100, which means this content is written by a human. And the claim of the article is correct. It's written by a human and it's an original content. So in this way, you can check your content to see if an AI tool was used or not and verify the authenticity of the content. So we have checked a human written content in the first part. Now I'll check an AI written content. So I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an article for me on the topic how AI will affect our future generations. So as you can see, I have got an article written by ChatGPT. Now I'll simply copy this article, go back to AI Detector Pro and in the report section simply paste the article. So after pasting my content, I will simply click on Analyze. So it has created the report. Let's check it out. Now the score is 98%, which means the entire content is AI generated. Wow! Amazing. This tool works perfectly. Now if you scroll below, you will see the red highlights in the content. These red highlights in the text means these sentences are written by AI. So if you want to remove AI from your articles, you just have to edit the sentences in red. But let me tell you something amazing. You don't have to edit your content manually to remove AI from your content. AI Detector Pro will do all the work for you. Simply click on Open with AI Eraser. Now you can see an editor tool has opened and this looks exactly like MS Word where you can edit your content. You can do it manually as well as automatically. Let me tell you how. Just scroll down below and you will see some eraser tools. Select More Human if you want your content to sound more like a human, or select Less Human to sound less like a human. So I will select More Human and then click on Humanize Document. Now it will take a few seconds and here you go. Now you can see all the red marks and highlights are gone and it has humanized my entire content by rephrasing it in a human-like manner. You can also recheck it for confirmation. Just simply click on Rescan Document for AI and here you can see it has rescanned and the score is now 2%, which means now this content is written by a human and AI is removed. Wow! Personally speaking, this tool is a game changer for all the students and freelance writers. Now if you want to make some changes manually, you can do it over here. This is like Microsoft Word where you can edit your document manually. Now if you go to the project section, you will see all your projects here. So here are my 3 projects saved. The first one was total human content. The second one had 98% AI detected content which we removed, and the third one is the humanized version of the second one. You can also click on download and save the report in an Excel sheet. Then you can also edit your projects again or delete them from here. It's so simple and easy and I really loved how this tool works. Now if you go back to the dashboard, you will see their pricing plans. In their free plan, you can do 3 AI scans per month but cannot humanize content in the free plan. Then they have their basic plan starting at just $13 and you will get 100 AI scans per month along with unlimited humanization. In the unlimited plan, you'll get everything unlimited for just $24. So they have these monthly and yearly plans you can avail of for yourself. There is also 50% discount on all the subscription plans right now. You will find the link of this website in the description box, so hurry up and avail this discount for yourself.
So that's it. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe to the Future of AI for more amazing videos. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.